going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we got another part for the Focus. Just got the box in last night. It's already open because I had to take a look, but I'll show you guys what we're putting on. Alright guys, so as you can see, got this from Zen Carbon Fiber. I'm also running their badges, their carbon fiber badges on the Focus. It comes with the front steering wheel and the back badge. And yeah, I'm a huge fan of Zen Carbon. Their stuff is really high quality carbon fiber. But I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna open this and then I'll show you guys. So these are the new mirror covers we got, and they're not just caps, they actually replace the entire mirror, and their quality of carbon fiber is just insane. But yeah, we'll put this on. I'll show you guys how to take off the old ones. I did it before to actually do the sequential lights, but I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So I'm running these rain guards by Unknown, which actually isn't a company anymore. They switched the name. But yeah, I'm running these, so I think these have to come off to get to the mirror, because you kind of have to get behind here to pop out. I think it's like 2 clips right here to get the actual cover off. So let me take these off, and then I'll show you guys what you're going to be looking for. Alright guys, so now that I got this piece off, you're just going to move the mirror down, and you're going to see there's 2 clips. One right there, one right there you're going to take off. Bronco's pulling in. But yeah, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a little wasp nest or something. I just knocked it down. They're just living in there rent free. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm going to do this, and then I'll show you guys once it's off. Alright guys, so here's this with the mirror off. So you're going through here, I'll show you. Going through here with a screwdriver and just pressing down on this tab to release it from these little spots right there. So we'll go ahead and get the carbon one and we'll press it on, show you guys how to do that. Alright y'all, so we're back again. It's been like 2 weeks. But we finally got the right box. So I was installing the other ones 2 or so weeks ago and didn't notice that they were the wrong ones until I went to go put them on. So now we have the right ones, and you can probably tell the difference. So this is the actual mirror covers for the Focus. So we're gonna put these on now. I already took off the rain visors that I had, and I actually took this one off. Pretty sure, yeah, I can't remember because like I said, it was 2 weeks ago, but we're gonna take them off again. Alright, so we got the new one. Pretty simple. Now that we have the right one, literally just put it over. Maybe. I might need 2 hands for this, guys. Don't fall, please. Alright, so I got it on. This side, you kind of just gotta wrap it around, if that makes sense, but there's like a little circular thing, I think, which is the hinge for the actual mirror. You kind of gotta put this side in first and roll it over and then press it all in, and it snaps in. Oh yeah, that's it. Looks sick. Let's do the other side. Alright y'all, we got the carbon fiber mirrors on. I put my rain covers back on. Alright guys, I feel like I gotta put this in, but this is no shade at all towards the company. Sometimes things happen. I got the wrong part. It happens to everybody. These things are sick. and I love them. They go great with the hood. I definitely recommend Zen Carbon. I also run a lot of their other stuff, so yeah. They look good with the carbon hood. Well, yeah, just a quick video for y'all.